In Angular material, just like Bootstrap, we have a number of beautiful modern icons. So if you head over to material.io/icons, you can see all these icons on this page. So simply scroll down and you can see these icons here. Each icon has a label, and this label is what we're going to use in our markup. We can also search for icons here. For example, I can search for add, and now we can see all icons that have add in their name. So we have add shopping cart, alarm add, note add, and so on. So let me show you how to use icons in our Angular applications. First, head over to material.angular.io, go to the guides page, and then getting started. On this page, when you scroll down, look at step 6, add material icons. In order to render icons, we need to import the material icons font from googleapis.com. So I want you to copy this URL. I can either add this as a link element on index.html, but there is a more elegant way. So back in VS Code, let's go to styles.css. Here we're going to add an import statement. So import, double quotes, and then paste the address. That's better. Next, we need to go to the app module and import the icon module. So here in the app module, in the imports array, I'm going to add md icon module. Of course, import this with the auto import plugin. Now let's go to app.component.html. We can add an icon using md-icon element. And here we add the name of our icon. Here's an example. So we want to render this icon on our web page. Look at this label here, add alert. So here I'm going to type add alert. Now, because we have two words here, we need to replace this white space with an underline. Otherwise, we're going to get two icons, one for the add icon and the other for the alert icon. Now let's take a look at the result. And here's our icon. Now, if you want to change the color of this icon, there are two ways. One simple way is using CSS. Another way is using a custom theme, and that's something we're going to look at later in this section. So for now, let me show you how to use CSS to change the color of this icon. So let's go to app.component.css. Here we can apply a style to our md-icon element. So we can set the color to purple. Now, of course, this is very generic. So if you have multiple icons on this page, all these icons are going to be purple. If you want to set the color for a specific icon, perhaps you need to use a custom class here, like add-alert or an ID. So for this demo, it doesn't really matter. Now back in the browser, you can see our icon is now purple. So this is how we add an icon. You can see this is easier than working with glyph icons defined in Bootstrap.